in Vegas now, heading towards the Hoover Dam. That's the first solar farm now. It just goes on and on and on and on for miles. Will that be Lake Mead then? That's what the dam's holding back, would you say?
I would think so.
Are they like lemmings or something? I'm guessing the lake's pretty low. And yeah, look at the tide mark there. So we're 400 feet above the water, but probably a bit more because it's low. And when it's full, it's 500 foot deep, the lake. And it's 500 miles around the outside of it. And it'll hold 2 years worth of the Colorado River's flow. That is some area, that, isn't it?
It's low.
It's definitely low, yeah. We're only looking at that tiny bit. It goes right the way over there. You can't get to the scale of it, can you?
No.
Is that a pipe or a turbine? Them pipes we've just seen are these ones that diverted the river round while they built the dam. And then they held it back, and then now the water goes down them other ones and through the generators. This is still a rock at the side of the dam though, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just one hall of turbine.
Come on in, we have the entire space.
Generators.
The U-shaped building, and we are standing in the Nevada wing. The dam is behind this back wall that says Bureau of Reclamation, or the one with the benches. It's behind this wall. The dam is 726 feet high. At the top, it is 45 feet thick. Here at this level, it's only 450 feet thick. But at the very base of the dam, it is 660 feet thick.
They're 300-ton cranes. There's 2 of them. Because the turbines, when they lift them out, weigh 600 ton.
One time I regret this and being on a yacht. It's kind of the same in New York.
This is the air vents now, in the side of the dam.
Oh, that doesn't look safe.
Put your finger in it right away.
Yeah, quick.
One more. Not gonna put my
Living in a chimney.
Oh, I don't know about that, sticking the phone out there. Doing that. Okay.
That's the view out of the vent in the side of the dam.
You brave enough to put your phone out.
Doesn't really fit. That's the view out of the vent in the side of the dam.
I go find all sorts of markings on the wall. Go find markings like that where they're inspecting cracks. Go find big flat marks like this that say 0 plus 20, 0 plus 30.
Jesus, that's deep.
That would really be a chore.
It's a fair thing, this. The lake is properly low. They're the towers that take the water in for the turbines. The other side of the road, which we were just in a minute ago. In fact, you can see them here. We were inside the building under that concrete. But the guy we've just been talking to from California, LA, he said last time he was here in the 90s, the water was only 10 feet off the top of this wall. fact, you can see the mark there on there where it normally lives. See the mesh in there as well. Yeah, it's properly low. Took 6 years to fill the first time they filled it. But they're just not getting the snow. Because it's melted snow that fills the reservoir. Oh yeah, and that's Arizona. And then that's Nevada.
Yeah.
So at the moment we're in Arizona. If I walk this way, there's a plaque somewhere. And then, so we're just walking out of Arizona now into Nevada. I think that's the boundary. Or is it that elevator that's the boundary? I don't know. And that's the new bridge, so the traffic doesn't have to come over the dam anymore. You can go over that. The dam at the bottom is 650 feet, I think they said, thick. And it's no wire in it, no reinforcement at all, it's just concrete. I don't like the way this bridge sways. You can feel it swaying. And when a big wagon goes past it, like bounces up and down. And it's not me. That's a beast, isn't it? When in Rome. Stand next to that one for scale. I never knew they made spaceships out of drainage pipe. Martin's drink has just come with 2 rations of bacon in it and the celery.
Breakfast and dinner.
Yeah, so that was the Hoover Dam. Now let's have a little look at the Sphere in Vegas because it's just crazy. I think this is the longest corridor in a hotel I have ever seen. That is nuts. We walked through the wind to try and find the big eye globe. There's the moon and then there's the globe. Size of that for an advert. Enough buildings and infrastructure. Here's some machinery. Here's the John Deere stand at Conexpo. Looks cool, that. It's pretty busy today. That's a monster, that. Martin stood next to it for scale. Let's go up here for the view. Thank you. It's not even new, this, is it? Deere dozer. All the different concrete plants. Got a good view from up here, hasn't it? So busy today. So he's done 22,000 hours and obviously been rebuilt. It's huge, isn't it? That is just crazy. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Before I go, Jack and Edward Jacob are 13. Happy birthday. And happy birthday to Andrew Perry. Lose my voice. That's all for today. Only a short video with it being a Sunday, but thank you for watching and we'll see you tomorrow.